Welcome to the Martinez Family channel. In this video, we'll give you a quick tour of our inside cabin aboard Royal Caribbean Freedom of the Seas. Hope you enjoy. Make sure to like and subscribe.
That's pretty big.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. We got a king bed, little sofa here, mirror to make sure we look good every time. And then you have a little desk here with a bunch of like little, bunch of storage. And then this is gonna be my little getting ready area. You have some closet space over here, pretty nice size closet. Then let's go in here. Typical cruise bathroom. No, there's no signal in the rooms. So this is our room for our little weekend getaway. So be on the lookout for some videos. This cruise does go to their private island, which is Coco Cay and Nassau, Bahamas. And we actually have a pretty cool tour in Nassau that goes to Pig Beach. So be on the lookout for those videos. Thank you for watching.